What's up, Volkano fans? Meet your new go-to jam buddy, the Volkano Flame Series Bluetooth speaker. It's not just a speaker, it's a soundtrack and your vibe all rolled into one little powerhouse. Switch on the sunset lamp mode and just like that, you've got instant atmosphere. Whether you're hanging out on the balcony, cramming for exams, or winding down after a long day, that warm glow sets the perfect mood. With IPX4 splash resistance, the Flame doesn't mind a bit of poolside fun. If you want to turn things up a notch, connect a second Flame speaker with TWS pairing, and you can get proper left and right channel sound. Bluetooth 5.3 makes connecting a breeze. It's quick, stable, and keeps your music streaming smoothly up to 10 meters away. And even though it's compact, the 7-watt driver packs a real punch. Clear vocals, solid bass, and volume that fills the room. You'll get up to 4 hours of playtime, and when it's time to recharge, the USB-C gets you back to full power in about 3 hours. No fuss and no waiting around. Now let's get you started. Press and hold the power button and you'll hear the tone when it switches on. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone, search for Flame and tap to connect. And that's it, you're ready to play. If you want to switch up the mood, press the lamp button to cycle through different light modes until you find your vibe. When you're done, press and hold the power button again to switch it off. The Volkano Flame series is all about sound, light, and the vibe in one neat little package. Don't forget to subscribe and comment to let us know which product you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.